Hey yo, testing. All right. Somebody wanted to know, how do you record the XYFX in standalone mode? So I'm going to show you how to do it in standalone mode first, and then I'm going to show you how to do it on the actual MPC software. So first things first, you need to load up a sample. So we go to the menu, go to the quick browser, load up anything on quick, select the pad, and we go load, go back to the menu. All right, we got it. It was 90, so we're gonna set it to 90. Set our sequence BPM to 90. Get ready. Let's go to sample edit real quick, make sure we have it set. It's like 11 bars, I believe. 11 bars times 4 beats is 44, perfect 90. All right, but we're not going to use 11 bars. We're only going to use 8 bars. So let's record. Awesome. Perfect loop. Let me just take off the metronome real quick. Enable it for record only. Alright. So now XYFX, if you don't know, these are your automation tools. Give you some different effects on here. But the first things first. When you load up the XYFX, you're going to see it says XYFX has not been loaded onto this program. Now, they're going to show you an XYFX location, outputs 1 and 2. If you don't want that on your master channel, you know what I'm saying, you don't want it on your whole project, then you select, open. You don't want that on outputs 1 and 2. You want it on program. You can use your jog wheel, or you like scroll, or you can go back out. If you don't want it on the submixes, you don't want it on your send returns, you want it on the program itself. Insert XYFX. Here's your XYFX setup menu. That's what XYFX can do. That's the beat repeat, low pass filter. So basically what you would use is whatever preset is here. We got everything from beat repeat, low pass, band pass, high pass, low frequency, low pass filter, manual, band pass, all that. Phasers, flanger, delays, ring modulation, wave filters, wave folder, excuse me, and the infamous tape stop. How does that sound? All right. So, when you want to record your XYFX over a program, a loop, whatever, you need to go and look in the top right hand corner. You're going to see this automation button right here. You want it, if it's green, that means that it's reading. You want it to be in the red. That means you're writing. Once you start writing, you want to hit the overdub to record over. Hit play start, and let's take off the setup menu real quick. Just do whatever you want to do to your XYFX. This is for the purpose of demonstration, of course. Just want to show you how to Now that you have your XYFX recorded, you want to switch from write mode back into the green reading mode. Now let's take a listen back. Sounds like it's working to me. Awesome. Looks like it's working. So now I'm going to jump over to the computer and show you how it works on the MPC software. Even though the principle still applies, it's good to have both mediums because this is the MPC Live standalone mode, so you can use that same procedure in your MPC X and your MPC One. See you on the software. All right. So in the software, it's a little bit tricky, but we're going to get through it and we're going to see what to do. So you already got the XYFX loaded up. If you want to load it up from the program, from the insert effects, you go here, harmonic, scroll, XYFX. If you want to see the presets they have, click up top. All of the presets are listed here. So let's get to this menu. Remember, when it's in green, it's in what? Read mode. When it's in red, it's in write mode. So let's go. Overdub. So now I was having a little trouble recording it and playing it back. So I'm thinking it has something to do with the bar timing, but let's see. So as you can see, it didn't play this automation, it didn't play this automation, and then play the last automation. I don't know why that is, and it's bothering me. So I think we may have to call Akai in the morning, but we'll see. So, gonna have to get at Akai about this XYFX glitch in the software. Thank you for tuning in. It's Hunter Woods. We out.